Well, yes, indeed, Mexico is historically a Catholic country, but that doesn't mean that everybody practices Catholicism regularly or the right way. There is a lot of syncretism in Mexico, especially in rural and indigenous areas. So often in indigenous and rural communities, the religious practice of the people is very much influenced by indigenous traditions, and so there's really a syncretic mix between some elements of Catholicism and other indigenous traditions and beliefs. And actually, one could ask the question to what extent the Catholic Church, so the hierarchy of the Church, the bishops and the Vatican, has an influence over those expressions of folk religion, really, because that's what it would be. What we observe is that in many communities the Catholic hierarchy does not have such a large influence. So many Protestants that suffer hostilities from those groups practicing folk religion tend to think that it's the Catholic Church that is behind that. But since the Catholic Church does not really have that much influence over those communities, I think that's really not correct.